Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel, Uniquely Jazz. My name is Jazz Mari, and in today's video, yes, I am back with another makeup video. I'm back with the makeup videos, and I'm doing a spring makeup tutorial, like a colorful spring makeup tutorial. So now I'm just doing my eyebrows, and I'm using eyebrow pomade, and I'm using the light brown, and I'm just filling in my eyebrows. I'm gonna do like a eyebrow routine so you guys can see how I actually do my eyebrows, so be on the lookout for that video. And if you're new to my channel and you enjoy watching beauty and lifestyle content, then make sure you subscribe and turn on your notification bell to be notified when I upload. And if you're not new, then welcome back to another video. Now I'm using the Morphe concealer, and I'm using this to clean up my eyebrows. And now I'm using the same Morphe concealer to prime my eyelids. I'm using the Nika K Perfection face powder, and I'm using this to set the concealer. And now I'm using this palette that I got from Amazon, and I'm gonna take the light pink shade, and I'm using it as a transition color. Now I'm using the dark pink and trying to blend it into the other pink, and like blending it into the crease. Now I'm taking this purple shade, and I'm placing it like in my crease area, and I'm blending it back and forth to like get it vibrant and kind of make it look harsh but not too harsh. Now I'm doing like a small cut crease, and I'm using the same Morphe concealer. Now I'm taking this green shade, shimmer shade, and I'm placing it in the inner corner and the outer corner of my eye. And then I'm taking the blue shimmer shade and putting it in the middle. Now I'm using the Maybelline Great Lash mascara. I'm gonna prime my face using the e.l.f. Poreless Primer. Now I'm using the LA Colors Radiant Foundation, and it's in the shade Ivory. And this is like a oily foundation, so if you got oily skin, then you probably won't like it, but it's not that bad. It just doesn't last as much as it should. Now I'm using the CoverGirl True Blend Undercover Concealer, and it's in the shade Fair, and I'm placing it where I want my highlighted areas to be. Now I'm using the Airspun Translucent Face Powder, and I'm using this to set my entire face. Now I'm using this Tarte bronzer, and I forgot the name of it, but it's like a sample version, and I'm just using this to contour my face. I'm using the Stroming Illuminating Highlighter by LA Colors and the LA Colors Red Rouge Blush. I'm using this brown lip liner by Runaway Beauty. And I'm using this brown lip gloss lipstick by Bella Puree, I think. And this setting spray by Tarte, and just to set my face. Here's the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, leave a like down below, leave a comment, and don't forget to subscribe and follow me on my social media, and I will see you guys on my next video.